What up, guys? Alright, well, before I get into what's going on with the Audi, I'm going to kind of go over what I've been doing with the Crown Vic while the Audi's been broken. Because even though the Audi's broken, you still got to race. So we've been taking the Crown Vic up to Woodburn Dragstrip and doing some drag racing with it. It's been pretty fun, but it's slow. So I'm going to show you some clips of what we were doing up there a couple weekends ago. And then I talked to somebody at West Coast Shootout, and he got me hooked up with this new Supercharger company. I wasn't going to start this for at least a year, but showed me this thing called Torq Storm. I went ahead and put a deposit down on it, and I'll get into some pictures of what that kit looks like and kind of why I bought it. But for now, just go ahead and check these clips out at Woodburn and see what the Vic's doing right now. Bone stock, fully loaded, not gutted. It's slow, but it's still fun. Wait and see what's going to happen. Alright, give her a little tire fire. Feels pretty hooky. Just gonna bump in real nice. Let him bump in. I'm gonna stage in first. Come on, buddy, stage it up. 1, 2, 3, go. We get a little bit of a head start. 16.27, here we go. We're gonna have to watch him come in the mirror. He should hit the stripe right as I hit the stripe. We're gonna see what it looks like. Oh, he fucked himself. He went way too fast, I can already tell. sick. It was pretty fun, even with the stock car. I don't care, you know, if you're on the track racing, it's fun. But obviously, more power, it's going to be way funner. You know, I mean, I'm thinking that with that thing running 7 pounds of boost, I'm going to be in about 380, 390 range. That's with only 80% efficiency, you know, so stock intake and whatnot. If I can track these PI heads down and some PI intake and import and polish, I mean, we could be like closer to probably 425, 450. Cam and stuff, who knows. These bottom ends will take a lot, you know, but we'll see what happens. Anyhow, you know, here's the kit. I'll show some pictures of it. It's Torq Master. This thing's made in Michigan. I mean, it's American made, billet, all really good custom quality. The leave time is like 8 weeks, so I put the deposit down. I'm not going to see the kit for like 2 months, but I don't care. I will wait for a good product because I beat the piss out of stuff. So I need good stuff. I'm not going to waste money on Chinese cheap product. Best thing is, you're only looking at around $3 grand for this kit. I'm going to have to buy a tuner, an intercooler. This is a tuner kit, so it doesn't come as like fully assembled with tubing. This is going to be the charger, the bracketry, the belt, the harmonic balancer. I'm in charge of the intercooler, the piping, you know, the tuner and whatnot. But I mean, this is a really good start. At $3 grand, that leaves me definitely some money to buy some other parts to finish the kit up. Stay tuned. We're going to definitely be working on that. But for now, I'm going to get into the Audi and what's going on with it. So, as you know, I had the block together. I had the head on and everything. Well, the crank got messed up, so whatever. So here we are. We got this other block. We're going to get this all cleaned up, painted. I've already got the rings gapped for the other one. I've checked the bore size. They are identical. So really all I got to do this weekend is get my pistons slipped back down on the block. I ordered a head gasket and new head bolts. That'll be here Tuesday. So in the meantime, I'm going to get everything cleaned up and painted and ready to go back in the car. I really need to do some cleaning on the chassis because while this thing's out of here, I want to clean up all this dirt. Get it all sealed up, ready to go. This thing's going to be out terrorizing again. I'm going to finish this video off with just some clips of the Audi just out raising hell. And remember, that's on like 16 pounds of boost on a stock turbo with like 300,000 miles on it. So, I mean, with this new turbo kit, we're going to turn it up, possibly weld the rear diff up. I mean, this thing's going to be rowdy as hell. So, enjoy these clips. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to bring you up with the block all painted and get this thing together. I'm so sick of it not being out ripping. So, stay tuned for more content. We're going to be kicking it this summer and just going to all kinds of motorsports events, racing autocross, hill climb. We're going to be doing some more drag racing. I'll be doing cross-country mountain bike racing. Like, we're just going to race and do some fun stuff. So, stay tuned.